a high-security government facility where India's currency is born. The India Government Mint, one of 4 in the country, producing every coin in circulation. Entry strictly controlled. Every person and material checked and logged. The morning shift begins. Hundreds of skilled workers every single day. Raw metals stored securely. Steel, copper, nickel, and aluminium by the ton. Metal coils loaded. The raw material that becomes every coin. The metal strip feeds in, continuous, precise, and fast. Rolled to exact thickness. Every micron matters for a perfect coin. Annealed in heat. The metal softened for clean cutting ahead. Pickled clean. Surface oxides removed before blanking. Punched from the strip, plain blank discs, thousands every minute. No design yet, that comes later. Planes, smooth, and featureless. Thousands of blanks collected, waiting for the next stage. Nothing wasted. The skeleton strip recycled back into raw metal. Into the furnace a second time. Blanks softened again, ready for the rim. Washed and dried after annealing, clean, bright, and ready for the rim. The rim raised around every blank, the raised edge that gives a coin its strength and shape. Every rimmed blank inspected. Only perfect ones move forward to the coining press. The dies, handcrafted by CNC. Every detail of the lion capital, carved in steel. The lion capital, engraved in steel. The emblem of every Indian coin. 5 die sets, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20, hardened in an industrial furnace, strong enough to strike crores of coins without wearing down. The coining room, where blank becomes coin. Under massive force. Struck under hundreds of tons of force. A coin born in a fraction of a second. Fresh from the press. Thousands of coins born every minute. Dozens of presses striking at once. Crores of coins minted every day. The 20 rupees commemorative, bimetallic, struck for 75 years of independence. The 10 rupees, bimetallic precision, 2 metals in 1 coin. The rupee 5, golden tone, struck in millions for daily circulation. The 2 rupees, small but essential in every Indian pocket. The 1 rupee, the smallest denomination, struck by the crore. 5 denominations, 1 set, marking 75 years of independence. Every coin inspected. Defective ones rejected before they leave the mint. Hand-checked too. Human eyes, catching what machines miss. Rejected coins melted back. Nothing leaves the mint that isn't perfect. Counted at high speed. Every coin accounted for before bagging. Bagged in exact counts, ready for secure dispatch to RBI. Sealed and labeled. Denomination, quantity, and mint mark recorded. Stared in a secured vault. Under armed guard until dispatch. Dispatch orders signed. Every coin released only with official RBI authorization. Loaded under armed guard. Every bag. Secured for the journey to RBI. Under police escort. Crores of coins heading to RBI vaults nationwide. Received at the RBI currency chest. The next link in the chain. Held in the RBI vault. Secured until banks make their request. Banks place their request. RBI allocates coins to branches nationwide. From RBI to bank branches. The coins moving closer to the public. Counted at the bank. Ready for the teller's window. Loaded for dispensing. The final step before the public. Handed across the counter, from mint to public, the journey complete. Changing hands in a market, doing what every coin was made to do.